Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to log out from your Telegram account on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
How to log out on from Telegram and how to log out on the Telegram on your mobile application. So first of all, click on this three dot option on the top and you will see an option called setting. Just click this. So now you just enter into your Telegram account. So now you will see an option called, you will have this three dot option on the top. Just click this and you will see an option called logout. So just click this, which actually log out here. So here you will see a lot of option: add another phone number or set a password, clear cache, change the phone number, and the final option will be the logout option. You can just choose logout option to log out on your Telegram. This is how you just log out on your Telegram account on your mobile application. I think this video helped you a lot. If you're having any doubts about the Telegram application, you just comment below. I will make a video about it, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.